A detailed review of the 2023 BMW 7 Series. Prices start at $94,295. For the 2023 model year, a brand new iteration of the 7 Series, BMW's longtime flagship sedan and the company's most opulent and sophisticated vehicle, will be available. The basic design remains mostly unchanged from the present model. Powertrain options include a twin-turbo V8 and an inline-six turbocharged engine, with a plug-in hybrid joining the lineup later. We discovered that the 7 Series truly floats down the road on our initial test drive. Thanks to certain modifications to the chassis and suspension, including a new rear-wheel steering system, it handles a touch more nimbly than the 2022 vehicle. The car's standout feature is an optional 31.3-inch rear entertainment display called Theater Screen that drops from the ceiling and streams TV and movies using the onboard Wi-Fi connection. Its driver assistance technology offers a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway slogs. What's new for 2023? For the 2023 model year, the 7 Series has undergone a thorough redesign and now features an even plusher interior, more cutting-edge technology, and more daring external flair. Delivery will commence in November 2022 when production starts this summer. Pricing and which one to buy. You have two models to buy. 1. 2023 BMW 7 Series 740i Sedan, price starting at $94,295. 2. 2023 BMW 7 Series 760i xDrive Sedan, price starting at $114,595. The 740i only comes with rear-wheel drive and is powered by BMW's incredibly smooth inline-six. We anticipate that the majority of customers will find this model to be more than adequate, but for those looking for all-wheel drive or more power, there is the 760i xDrive, which has a twin-turbo V8. Both the executive lounge package, which includes power-adjustable reclining rear seats with massage features, among other luxuries, and the stylish 31.3-inch theater screen rear seat entertainment system, which can stream content via the car's onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, are recommended if you intend to be chauffeured in your new 7 Series. The same body shell will support an all-electric alternative called the i7. We examine that model individually. Engine, transmission, and performance. Rear-wheel drive is the only available configuration for this model, which comes with a 375 horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six that is aided by a 48-volt hybrid system as standard. Cars with this engine are referred to as 740i. According to BMW, the 740i will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.0 seconds. The 760i xDrive's twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine produces 536 horsepower and utilizes a 48-volt hybrid system to accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, according to BMW. All-wheel drive is standard on this vehicle. During a brief test drive event in Germany, we had the opportunity to try the 8-cylinder prototype model, noting both its smooth operation and strong acceleration. Air suspension is a standard feature on the new vehicle, and BMW has built a rear-wheel steering system and variable dampers into the chassis. Because of this, the new vehicle feels more nimble than the previous one did while continuing to prioritize comfort over athleticism. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. If you choose the all-wheel drive, V8-powered 760i xDrive, the fuel economy estimates for the 740i decrease to 18 miles per gallon in the city and 26 mpg on the highway. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The 7 Series, the top model in the BMW lineup, offers its passengers a plethora of comforts. The interior of the 7 Series has a sophisticated vibe thanks to rich-smelling leathers, stainless steel accents, and beautiful glass and wood trim elements. Purchasers may even select a new cashmere upholstery option, should it fit their unique style. The luxurious interior now boasts the richness, sophistication, and technology to more effectively compete with the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The 7 Series offers plenty of room for passengers both up front and in the back, but when the executive lounge package is added, the 7 Series really shines. This package includes power-adjustable reclining rear seats with massage, a wireless smartphone charging pad for the back seat area, and adjustable neck cushions on the headrests. The trunk is approximately the size you'd expect for a full-size luxury car, and a pass-through behind the back seats makes it possible to transport longer objects like skis. Infotainment and connectivity. The 9 SUV's huge digital gauge display is positioned beneath the same glass panel as the infotainment touchscreen, and the 7 Series utilizes a similar dashboard design. The displays that can be customized offer sharp quality and quick responses. An optional rear-seat entertainment system called Theater Screen by BMW uses a massive 31.3-inch monitor that lowers from the car's ceiling. Rear-seat passengers may watch Netflix or browse the web via an onboard 5G cellular data connection, interfacing with the system via touchscreen displays built into the door panels. Safety and driver assistance features. There are a number of enhanced driver assistance features available, including a new hands-free driving mode for usage on highways and an upgraded parking assistant feature that enables the driver to exit the car and park the car using a smartphone app. Key safety features are expected to include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with a semi-autonomous driving mode, warranty and maintenance coverage. Every 7 Series comes with a 3-year or 36,000-mile complimentary planned maintenance plan, which Audi and Mercedes-Benz don't provide. The warranty terms for the Genesis G90 are lengthier than those on the Volvo S90, which is comparable to BMW's free maintenance program. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.